Sikubingelele mbukeli, umongameli wezwe Ramaphosa uzoba nomhlangano lapha eLimpopo. Umhlangano we-administration bey'ndawo noma bey'kole zizwele ey'khulumela.
Colleagues, today is quite a significant day, as well as a historic day in many, many respects. Firstly, it marks the start of a program by the National Executive of our country to visit all the provinces of our country in the coming months and to engage directly with the provincial government leadership. Secondly, it is the first high-level bilateral engagement of this nature with provinces under the 7th administration and under the Government of National Unity. As we strive for greater alignment between the developmental priorities of the national and provincial governments, there is a need for all of us, right from the national executive, starting with the president, ministers, and all of us together with provincial government to engage much more directly and regularly with our provincial counterparts.